What's up guys, it's Sabhi here again with another new video. So as you can see on Google search, I typed how to apply for Medicare card, and in today's video I will show you how to apply for Medicare card in Australia. So when I type this in search, it says AI overview. To apply for a Medicare card, you can either apply online through your MyGov account or by completing a Medicare enrollment form and submitting it with your supporting documents. Alright, online application through MyGov. Step 1, sign into your MyGov account. Step 2, select Medicare and then My Card. Step 3, choose get a new card and number. Step 4, follow the prompt provided by Services Australia. Step 5, you may also be able to use the Express Plus Medicare mobile app for the same purpose. Or you can apply by application, by mail or email. And these are the instructions. So I will go on to MyGov account first and let's see if I can be able to follow these steps. Alright, so here I am onto MyGov account. So I will click with my sign in with digital ID. Alright, so here I am onto my Gov account, and according to these instructions, sign into your MyGov account, select Medicare. So I go on to Medicare, and then step 3, choose get a new card and number. No, select a Medicare and then My Card. Yes, here it is on the top, the third option, just at the top, My Card. So I already have My Card here. If you don't have a card, there will be an option would come here, choose get a new card and number. So you need to click that option. Alright, because I already have a card here, that option is not coming. So all you got to do is choose that option and then follow the instructions, and then you will have a digital Medicare card on your MyGov account, and also a physical copy of Medicare card will post it to your address, right? So that's how simple it is. And step 5, you may also be able to use Express Plus Medicare mobile app for the same purpose. So if you download Express Plus Medicare app on your phone, then you can follow the same instructions what is written here onto your mobile phone, and then you will be able to have a digital Medicare card on your phone, on your MyGov account, and also the physical copy will be posted to your address as well. I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.